Something real natural. Nothing too much. I need to get my eyebrows arched. I need to arch my eyebrows, but let's just get right into it. Okay, so every time I do my makeup, I start with the eyebrows. I just feel like the eyebrows sets the attitude of the face. If your eyebrows aren't right, your makeup is not going to be right. It's not going to look good. Don't worry if your eyebrows are a little dark. Just take a spoolie and brush them backwards. If you guys are interested in an eyebrow tutorial, let me know in the comments. Okay, so now right here, I skipped the foundation. I use concealer. I recommend using one that's 1 or 2 shades brighter, but not too bright. And I also recommend you using a damp beauty blender. It actually gives your makeup a natural finish. This is the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. The cheap stuff. Cheap but worth it. Which leads me to contouring. Look, don't skip this step. Please. It brings back color to your face. Get like a concealer that's 2 to 3 shades darker and you're good to go. See me, I like my concealer deep, like real dark. Not real dark, but real brown. It just makes me feel better. So right now, I'm going back over it with another powder just to like seal the deal. Next, in my daily routine, I always add lip liner or whatever I decide to wear in that day. Lip gloss, lipstick. It's your choice. When it comes to daily makeup, I skip eyeshadow. But if you are a person that likes eyeshadow, you know, do whatever floats your boat. So all you would need is a light concealer, a dark concealer, powder, lip liner, lipstick, or lip gloss, and baby, you're ready. Something short, sweet, and to the point. Okay, I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair. I don't even know what to do with it. Ooh, still giving. It's still giving, y'all. Look at it. Ooh. Hold on. Let me get a comment. I'm gonna put the video I took when I first got it done in the comments. Not the comments, but up here somewhere. I feel like it's raining outside. It probably wouldn't be a good thing for me to do.
Ooh. Y'all see that? I got my hair done Wednesday. It's still kicking. Oh, I just love it. I'm gonna put the video I took when I first got it done in. Let's see some. Oh, let's see. I loved my silk press when I first got it. Like, I don't think I want to go back to being a curly natural. I want to do blowouts and silk presses. Ooh. But I just know my hair ain't going. It ain't going. It ain't gonna do right. I know it ain't gonna do right. So little face. It just might. Let's see. Okay. I need to take a picture and see what it look like. It's raining outside. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. This is the finished look. Anyway.